So, what are some examples of ways that our attendees that are watching this right now? What are some examples of ways that they can support the development of these executive function skills that are so very important in their neurodivergent students? Because, and we haven't talked about this yet, but I think there's it. What's the percentages? Like, I don't think any teacher out there has a class that doesn't have at least one, if not more, neurodivergent students.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure exactly what the percentage is, but I mean, like every classroom I've ever been in, there's one, and usually it seems like it somehow works out where there's two. And I see like sometimes
Yeah.
I'll see like an alpha boy, and then I'll see an alpha girl, and it just they work together, and each has their own strengths in the classroom, which is why I that's ideally the best, because my world, I come from martial arts. And I like it when I have two assistant instructors there, so you can actually like the what's it called, the rainbow at the end of the whatever it is,
Oh, the
or the
pot of gold
at the end. Thank you. You see exactly. I'm just so whatever. Is that these kids can actually help you run the classroom if you understand them. Like there's some kids that just don't know about listening and waiting. So someone's reading a story and their brains are like, oh, this, I have a question. Why did they do this? Why did they do that? So what I do is something called, when we do buddy reading, we cut out an ear picture, okay? And then what we do is we give it to one of the kids. So the kid that's holding on to the ear, they're the one that's listening while the other kid is reading or telling the story. And then when it's time to switch, and then if you do that for a couple of months, then eventually you don't even have to give that kid the ear. They just learn how to do it. It's really like creating systems that they can just, after a while, they absorb it, like especially in early childhood.